right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. It is a late one today. We're gonna go ahead and pop out to a 7-Eleven meet, see what the vibes are. I'm just about done breaking in the miles here. Probably can get them done within the next couple of days, and then the car is gonna go in the shop for some more cooling mods. I did get a new rad cap, but I'm kind of on the fence of putting the rad cap on because I do know those are kind of not reusable, and I don't want to completely waste a new rad cap. Let me know down in the comment section if you can just put a new radiator cap on one of these cars and then use that same new radiator cap for a new coolant reservoir, because if I can do that, I'm gonna swap that cap out, because right now there's actually more coolant in the car than it really needs, which is kind of sketch, but I'm gonna monitor it closely. Ooh, it's getting windy, man. Hopefully it don't storm. But if you guys are enjoying the content on the channel, make sure you guys drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. Y'all know the vibes. Let's get this startup going here. This thing rowdy, bro. One of my headlight lamps are out. Y'all see that shit? Damn. Alright, well, I gotta replace the bulb. Alright, y'all, so we're on the way to the meet. Hope you guys can hear me. It gets crazy loud in here. Cruising at 70 miles an drums out. This is actually hella clean. Something you don't see every day. This is actually like sick. Holy shit. I wonder what year this is. This is definitely something you don't see every day. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna head out now. Whew. It's actually hella late. This car, man, dude, I'm still pissed that I got this car detailed and everything just for it to get filthy in quite literally under 24 hours. But about to head back to my side of town. Man, hope y'all enjoyed that meet. Start in the morning. I still can't get over how loud this thing is. I love it though. Fighter. So it's obviously the next day, and after going ahead and driving the car again and paying attention to the RPMs and the speed, this thing definitely does have 355 gears, which is a massive W. That's one less thing I have to do. That's $1,000 that can stay in my pocket, and I can put that towards other parts in the car. So I'd say this was a great discovery. Thank you guys for pointing that out, because I literally was under the assumption this thing had 410s. And that's what the previous owner told me. But it's kind of making sense now, because if it did have 410s, I feel like at the same time it would be easier to drive at like lower RPMs. But like this thing like bucks, and honestly having the aggressive cam that the car does have with 355s, it kind of makes sense why it is difficult to drive the car you know, in first gear, you know, going like 15-20 miles an hour. So yeah, this is amazing news. So remember, y'all, if you guys are enjoying the content on the channel, make sure you guys drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. The cooling mod should be going on within the next couple of days, dropping off the car on Saturday. Hopefully we'll get it the beginning of next week, and then finish up the break-in miles. I think I actually might be able to finish it up before I drop the car off. What the hell? Oh, looks like I caught a nail. I need new tires anyway. Oh well. But yeah, hopefully we're done with the break-in miles within the next couple days, and pretty much we'll be good to go for the retune. Whew. Man, dude, I'm so happy I don't have to do gears, because I know that would have took another extra day, but I think we're good to go. So yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.